Hi, fourth graders. I missed you so much yesterday. I hope that the math work wasn't too hard for you. No worries if it was. I'm here now and we'll go over that when we get to meet together live after spring break. So, your work today, I want you to complete just a chapter 5 quiz, and it's just everything that we've gone over so far in math class for chapter 5. So there's 9 questions here, and one thing I don't want you to do is rush through this. Take your time, okay? Take your time. Use the notes that you wrote down in your notebook that I told you to write down. And you can also use my Google Classroom. I'm going to pull that up for you. Okay, in Google Classroom, I have under Math Resources on the side here. You're going to click on that, and you will see all the resources I have for you here. I have a prime and composite anchor chart, a factor and multiple anchor chart, and I also have the divisibility rules there. So you could use all 3 of these for your math assignment. Okay, your first question is list all the factors from least to greatest. So all you're going to do here is you're going to use your factor rainbow, okay? So factor 15, okay, 1 and 15, 3 and 5. Watch how I do that. I rate them from least to greatest. 1, 3, 5, 15. Go on to the next one. Okay, is 9 a factor of the number? Okay, can I multiply anything times 9 to get 91? You decide. It says the answer is yes or no. You either click yes or no, click on the next one. Okay, again, is 6 a factor of the number? Select yes or no. Can I multiply anything times 6 to get 35? I know that's a no. Click on no, go to the next one. Okay, and you're gonna get a few ones about asking about the factor. And then when you get to this one, this is when you have to list common factors for 2 numbers. So you're gonna factor 25 and 75, and you're gonna see what factors they share in common. You're gonna list them here. There's only 3. And the next one, you're gonna list the next 5 multiples of 6. So 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30, and 6 times 6 is 36. You list it there, go to the next one. Is 40 prime or composite? This is where you could pull up that math chart where it's prime or composite. So I look over here, I'm looking for 40. 40 is composite because it's highlighted here. It's not highlighted here, so it's not prime, it's composite. So I could go back over here and I could press composite and I could go to the next one. The grid model below shows the factors of 20, okay, in arrays. Is 20 prime or composite? I know it's composite because if I use this chart again, I know a composite number is a whole number with 3 or more factors, and a prime number is just 2 factors, one in itself. And I know that this is not one in itself. Okay, so I click composite, go to the next one. Okay, use the rule to enter the numbers in the pattern. Rule is to subtract by 7. So what I'm going to do on scrap paper or in my Smart Pal or whiteboard, I'm going to take 140, subtract 7, and I put my answer right in there. I know that it's 133. Then I'm going to take 133 and subtract that. Take away 7 from that, and that's when I get the next pattern in my number. Then I take this number, subtract it by 7, and so on. We have to make sure that we follow the rule. When you complete numbers 1 through 9, right, so you check over them, so you go back to number 1, check over all of your answers, see, look, oh, I skipped one, I got to make sure that I go back and fix that one, right? Yeah, go back, check your answer, and when you're completely done, hit submit. Then you're going to go back to my Google Classroom and you're going to make sure to press turn in on your math assignment. Alrighty? Please email me or leave a comment. I will probably take a little while to get back to you just because I'm setting up our classrooms for our April 12th return to school. Alrighty. If you check yesterday, I left you all comments on your work if you did not finish something or if you left me a comment. But again, I miss you all. I hope you have a fantastic Wednesday. Bye, fourth graders.